At EarthScope, we're revolutionizing the understanding of cities and landscapes through AI. Our cutting-edge AI transforms aerial data into precise, actionable insights for smarter, sustainable urban planning. From urban development to environmental conservation, our technology aids in informed decision-making across multiple sectors. Our team of experts collaborates with city planners and environmentalists, ensuring precision and reliability in every project. In critical situations, our rapid analysis assists in disaster response, helping to save lives and rebuild communities. In forestry management, our AI provides vital insights on tree health, density, and areas requiring intervention, promoting sustainable practices. We're committed to sustainability, integrating environmental stewardship into our technology for healthier urban and natural environments. Our dynamic data visualizations bring clarity to complex urban and environmental challenges, enabling proactive solutions. With a global footprint, EarthScope is at the forefront of shaping a smarter, greener future, one pixel at a time. Join EarthScope. Together, let's elevate insights and transform our world.